The primary problem when you're buying direct from a company that sells insurance directly is that you're not getting that personal touch or any real personal attention to what you need as a home inspector. And what I mean is, in most instances, you're filling out an application online and they're spitting you back a quote. And hopefully you know enough about insurance to be able to look at that quote and make sure that you're getting the same coverage that you had with your prior carrier. And so unfortunately, a lot of the companies that sell direct advertise cheap rates and certainly sometimes quotes that seem very low. But unfortunately, as they say, the devil's in the details. Many times those policies either don't carry your retroactive date over, which means that you're not going to have coverage for all your prior inspections before the start of this new policy, or they're not giving you the coverage for the ancillary services that you need coverage for. Services that you're out there doing on a daily basis that now may not be covered. And finally, that coverage may not be what your state requires. These companies are not fixed on making sure home inspectors have the right coverage at the right price. And so unfortunately, when you deal with these companies without that personal attention, without having somebody who knows your business intimately, talking to you about what you need and don't need, many inspectors end up with a situation that's bad for them, where they don't have the coverage they need, their prior inspections are no longer covered, or they don't have the right limits to match up with what their state requires. And for those reasons, you should always work with a company like EliteMGA that is focused on home inspection and has many years in this business on the claims side, on the underwriting side, and certainly on the coverage side.